Alright, welcome back to Rob's RC Insanity. We have got, get that out of the way. So you get the car. Nice looking little buggy. I mean, nice looking little buggy. I think it's sharp as hell. Good looking little car. So you get the buggy, you get some spare upper control arms. You get spare upper control arms. You get a little bag with a screwdriver and wheel wrench and some extra body clips, which is nice. I'm really liking the spare control arms because these are non-adjustable, and as you can see, they actually look fairly sturdy. But you know, these things do break sometimes, especially if you grab a wheel on something. So it's nice that they give you extra ones. That is super cool. Super cool. You get a, let's see, it's an 1800 milliamp 2S LiPo with a charger. And inside the car here, you get another 1800 milliamp 2S LiPo, so you get two batteries. Here's the controller. I've got it set up to record, so we're gonna run it here in a second. I've already charged one of the batteries. So that's my little camera holder on there. That's a good looking controller. Nice foam wheel. Wheel's a little sensitive, but I think it's gonna be okay. You've got your let's see here, you got your throttle trim, your steering dual rates, your steering trim, throttle reverse, steering reverse, and of course your on off switches right there. Takes 3 AA batteries. Future video, but I want to get this out here off-road, see how she does. Oh, a little flippage there. Oh man, this little guy cooks. Oh yeah. Maybe not quite as fast as the WL toys, but it's doing great. Check that out. Oh yeah, she's getting it. Let's pop a top on this thing. Take a good look at everything. Yeah. The wing's still in nice shape, no cracks. Would I recommend it? It's about 129 bucks. I think Amazon is offering a $10 discount right now.